Today, we will see how to open TikTok in silence. This is basically for when you might be in a public place and when you open TikTok, you might not be sure if it has volume or not, and to avoid possibly disturbing others, this feature is useful to open it in silence. If you want, you can then increase the volume and listen to your TikToks. So for this, we obviously need to open TikTok, go directly to our profile, and once we are inside, we need to click on the three dots or the three lines, which is a hamburger menu. Once we are here, we will go directly to where it says Settings and Privacy. Once we are inside the section, we will go directly to the option called Playback. In Spanish, it will be something like reproduction. Just click there or follow the icon that appears there, which looks like a play button. Click there, and you will see the first option that says Open TikTok in silence or on mute. This basically means it will start muted. So, if I enable this, every time I open TikTok, the first video that appears will be completely silent. If I want to listen to it, I don't need to reconfigure or deactivate this setting. I can simply press the volume up button, and once I press this button, the app will automatically take the normal volume.